Dahi Bhindi or okra curd stew. Today we are going to make Dahi Bhindi, a 5-ingredient recipe. The ingredients are red chili, shallot, garlic, curd and turmeric powder. Since the lady's finger is the base of the curry, that is excluded. First cut the lady's finger or bhindi into small pieces, circular pieces. Heat the pan and put in 10 ml of oil. Put in the ripe chilies, dry ones. Put in the shallots. Garlic. And salt. Put in the finger or the lady's finger, which has been cut into small circular pieces. Salt for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep on sauteing until the stickiness disappears from the bhindi. Now put in salt to taste and put in a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Now add the curd. Mix. Mix. Now the Dahi Bhindi is ready and can be taken off the flame. This is the final Dahi Bhindi, a 5-ingredient recipe. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe and press the notification button.